Most loan applications are denied because of simple things you can easily and quickly fix. Your Fundability system has a pillar of fundability dedicated to improving your Fundability Foundation to become more lendable, stop denials, and get more pre-screened offers. In this pillar, you'll uncover the types of entities lenders like most and get your EIN number. Set up your business phone, address, website, and email the way lenders want to unlock more financing approvals. Get a merchant account and decode foreign filings and how they affect approvals. And see how to select the best industry NAICS code so lenders don't see you as a high-risk industry. The foundation pillar in Fundability helps you stop denials by setting up your business where it's fundable so you can get more automated approvals and pre-screened offers.